The Expert Series is brought to you by Draw It Paint, the dry erase paint company that specializes in the highest quality of whiteboard walls available worldwide. Draw It Paint is constantly undergoing tests and procedures to ensure industry-leading, top-quality products with 3 selections to choose from. Recruit, Unique, and Limitless are guaranteed to suit all your dry erase paint needs.
Can you tell us about some of the techniques that you use to help these people kind of get past these fears?
Absolutely. So one of the things I ask a lot of questions, right? And so if I just tell you what the answer is, you'll be like, maybe it's for me, maybe it's not. But if I ask you the right question and you tell yourself the answer, you'll immediately accept it. So recently I had one of my mentees, he said, hey, instead of doing the whole investor thing, I want to become a real estate agent. Now, it wasn't my job to tell her whether that was a good decision or not, but I know that that's what she wanted from me. She wanted to know what my thoughts were. So I just asked her a question. Well, why do you want to be an agent? She says, well, I don't have enough incoming leads. I said, well, how many people do you talk to? She said, I don't talk to many people. Well, why don't you talk to people? Because I'm not very comfortable with it. I said, well, do you think that being an agent is going to be any different? You're still going to have to talk to people no matter what. So it kind of circle back to the real problem wasn't that she wanted to be an agent, it's that she was uncomfortable talking to people. So let's address that actual issue.